In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Outlook calendar. Whether you're planning meetings or just want to keep everyone updated, sharing your calendar can be a game changer. Let's walk through this process step by step. So by the end of the video, you'll be equipped with the know-how to effortlessly share your calendar with colleagues, friends, or family through Microsoft Outlook. To start things off, you'll first need to log into your Outlook account. Head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. If you have this bookmarked, great. If not, it's easy to find by searching in your browser. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a prominent sign in button. Go ahead and click that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Now you'll need to enter your email address that's associated with your Outlook account. It's pretty straightforward, just type it in the space provided. Once you've done that, click the next button. This will lead you to the password entry page, where you'll input your secure password. After entering your password, there's another sign in button to click. If your credentials are correct, they'll allow you access to your Outlook dashboard. Sometimes Outlook might ask if you want to stay signed in. Clicking yes here can save you time in the future if you're using a secure personal device, though if you're on a public or shared device, it's safer to click no. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be redirected to your Outlook mailbox. Don't worry, we're just passing through here. Look to the bottom left of your screen and you'll see the calendar icon. Give that a click to navigate away from your email and enter the world of calendar management. Here comes the exciting part, actually sharing your calendar. On your calendar page, look out for the share button typically found on the toolbar or menu options. By clicking it, you'll start the process of deciding with whom you want to share your scheduling information. A window or sidebar should appear, inviting you to enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. You might want to add multiple people if it's for a team meeting or event. This step in particular is really flexible and allows you to ensure that everyone important to your event or schedule stays in the loop. Well done. Now your chosen people will get an invitation to view your calendar. Depending on your settings, you might also have the option to decide what level of access they get. For instance, you might want close colleagues to see everything, while others might only need to know when you're busy or free. Each degree of sharing is completely up to you and can be adjusted to your preferences and needs. Before wrapping up, a quick tip: you can always revisit this setting and adjust who can see your calendar, or even rescind access altogether if your sharing needs change. Keeping your calendar accessible to the right people helps in staying organized and ensuring everyone is informed of your availability or schedule changes. And there you have it. Sharing your calendar on Outlook is as simple as a few steps. This powerful tool, when utilized correctly, can drastically improve communication and time management within your personal or professional circles. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial about sharing your Outlook calendar. Hopefully you now feel more confident in managing your calendar and sharing it when the need arises. If you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tutorials like these. Happy calendaring and see you next time.